2, go ahead.
Hi. So Abby, what are we doing today?
Making volcano.
So yeah, we're making a volcano. So I already lined it to make the base, and I'm gonna start cutting. And adult supervision. Okay.
We're cleaning buses. Making you. Making you.
Be careful, Abia.
Okay.
What are you trying to do, Amber?
Okay, that's nice. I want to see how you do it.
I don't have a box.
Edge doesn't want to cut.
I don't have a box.
Oh, I know how to cut this. They're just very stubborn. I know how to cut the edges.
I don't have a box.
The what? Edges.
Chalo, be careful.
Careful, careful. My feet are mad.
There you go. No, funny. Sorry for the humor.
Sophie?
Sit down.
Okay, lady, you can go throw this in the garbage. Or. Okay, so now we have the base.
Mm-hmm.
Like white lipstick.
It's white.
Not white lipstick.
It's a white
glue.
lipstick.
This is a glue stick.
Lipstick.
Okay, so the liquid glue we use to put this on the bottom, and this we're gonna use for the construction paper.
Abby, where you put lipstick?
Thank you.
No, where do you put lipstick? I told her it was glue stick, so she was like, it's lip.
Abby, where you put lipstick? Where? Show me.
Open this way.
Okay.
Where do you put lipsticks? Mom's asking.
Can you answer me, Abia?
This is glue stick.
I know, but where you put the lipstick?
Wait there. Circle. And put all
Okay.
of them.
So now we're gonna cut the black paper into half, or I guess
The
half.
tiny one. This is tiny.
And we're going
Mhm.
to just,
You buy tiny
I
one?
guess,
Mhm.
make it into like a
Turn
circle.
it. I like apples.
So I'm making the black piece of paper into, I guess, a circle.
Oh, Amber came out the bottle. She keep touching it.
Don't touch Abby. If you're gonna touch it, it won't dry. Okay.
I'm making this stick.
I'm touching you. Okay. So we're gonna kind of like try to like cover the top too. You know what we should have done? We should have glued it after.
This glue.
We should have glued it after. Okay.
This. And this one and this one.
So what do you want to use? Liquid or stick glue?
Stick.
Okay.
I'm using this one.
No. It's just gonna, cause it's gonna fall everywhere. That's fine.
Okay.
So we're gonna.
Oh.
open
I got it.
Okay,
Okay. So
let's go.
shot it this way. Okay.
Look,
So
what are you guys doing, Abia?
we're now inside.
Now what are you guys doing?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, but you can't put your hand, okay?
Okay. So
Yeah, it's dangerous, okay?
I'm not eating.
I know, but still.
Okay. Abia, look. Okay, so we're gonna take baking. What is it? Baking soda. Or
Baking powder.
baking powder, and put it inside the stick.
I think the spoon is too big.
It's okay.
Oh, I just dropped it.
You know what? Maybe use the end part.
End
part-
part.
end
Oh,
part.
the S part. Okay.
Yeah. This way it's easier to go in the thing, see? Much easier.
Still dropping it.
Abia, leave it alone.
I'm putting it up there.
Okay, we're just
What
gonna
Abia is doing?
put a little bit in the
Abia is gonna add vinegar.
This.
Okay. So Abia's gonna add the vinegar. Okay, guys.
Yes.
How this opens?
I will help you. I help you. I help you. I help my munni. Who's my munni?
I'm here.
I'm right here.
Well, we have to wait. Let Bhaji finish it.
I have to fill the bottom at least. Everyone. I'm moving one more.
And maybe this way.
You drop
You have to smash the
It's
thing.
kinda
Yeah,
chunky.
chunky.
It's very small here.
I feel like I'm cooking more than I'm cooking.
This is small better. And
Yeah,
then
that helped a lot. Okay. Abia, you want to add it now?
Oh, wait.
Wait! Okay, you have to put it, Abia, you have to put it directly in here. Put all of it in there.
I'm gonna move your hand.
Did I not put enough?
I guess not.
Oh, it did come out a little bit on the side. I think. I don't know.
I need
What's
more.
happening in there?
Yeah. Ew, it stinks.
Yeah, it does. It smells really bad.
I put this in there.
Yeah.
It smells really bad.
I put this.
The vinegar, I think it's the vinegar. It smells really bad.
Oh, I got to cut the vinegar.
Say, okay, you guys are done?
Yeah.
Say bye.
It explode though.
It's okay. Say bye, Abia.
Bye.
See you next time.
And do again.